Today we're going to replace the 12-volt battery on the 3rd generation Mini Cooper S, the F56. Now to do this job there are two things you're going to need. One is a new battery, the second is some way of telling the car that it's got a new battery.
So we're not actually going to do this yet, but this is the Ansel BM700. There are lots of code readers you can buy, but there are specialist ones that you need for BMW and Mini products. And you can see in special functions there is a battery management option here that allows you to register.
There you go, register new battery. Make sure you've got one of those tools to be able to do that, or you've got someone that's lined up that can do that for you. It's very important that you tell the car that it's got a new battery.
The battery is behind here. I've taken these 3 bolts off, unscrewed that one, popped this trim off before to check the battery. That's why I'm changing it actually, because I discovered it was original. But to get the battery out you need to get this bit off, which means you need to remove the air filter and this piece here. So you start here, there's 2 bolts, get this bit off. Alright, that then just, I've already clipped it, but it clips out. You've got another 10mm bolt on the airbox here to remove. Undo this to remove the airbox. We should really take that plug out in a second. Let's try and do that as well, but if not, maybe I have to pull this off and just lever it out of the way. Okay, airbox is out of the way. A couple of interesting points. It looks like it secures here, and there's some pieces here that look like they're sort of missing or have been damaged where that secures in, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. The point is, this clip on the airbox, I'm actually going to leave it. It looks a bit fragile. I'm not entirely sure of the exact method of removing that. That is out of the way there anyway. So now we need to get this off, these 3 bolts, panel here, and that will come away. This is a 13. Then it's onto these 3. There's another one there. This should all come out as one piece, like so. Okay, so to get this panel out, 10mm down there, there's another 10mm hidden behind here. There's a little plastic panel here that's held in with this clip. It's like a screw clip, it's not, it's plastic. So just gently ease that up and that will come away like that. Reveal that 10mm, get that off. So now, there you go, that should come right up and we can access the bit down there that holds the battery in. I'm guessing another 10, yeah. To undo this, this should free up the battery, and then we can take off the terminals. There we go. You can see from this, it actually says BMW. This is the original battery. Let's get the negative terminal off first. These are 10mm. Did I say 10mm for the big ones down there? There, I think 13. Pop the negative off. That should just come off. Okay, so negative is off. Let's do the positive. Oh, take the vent pipe out as well. You've got a little vent pipe here. That needs to come out. Take the positive off. Keep everything out of the way. And then get the battery out. There we go. Okay, we're going to slide that battery out. Pause this in a second because down there's a little leak. Slide in the new battery. It's also a good idea to charge your new battery up. Sometimes they come on the shelves. So make it positive first. Okay, now the battery's in. 30 in this bottom one, down here in this bracket. Now the battery's in, everything else goes back. The reversal of removal. And then we'll register using okay, last bit of screw. So that's all connected, tightened up that's lodged in place, bolt on there, 2 bolts there. Slam the bonnet. Tell the car it's got a new battery. Right, hopefully this will work. Register battery change, there we go. Register battery replacement. The battery replacement is registered, the following is now in last battery replacement. Oh, so it has put in the time, register battery replacement. Okay, done. Before, my car was very sluggy starting. Let's try starting it now. That gives loads more confidence. Try again. Wow, and there you go. Job done. Lots cheaper than BMW. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again very soon. More car videos. Thank you.